So how can you become successful in your career? What does it take to build a successful career that lasts over decades and become an industry leader? How do you ensure that you build a personal brand that sustains over time and become a thought leader in your industry? What does it take to distinguish yourself in the marketplace and manage your finances in such a manner that you have a blissful life? These and many more questions are what we are going to be addressing and providing strategic blueprints to you on this year's CSS, that is the Career Success Summit 2026, coming on between the 30th and 31st of January 2026. I'll be speaking along some other great industry leaders to provide you blueprints on how you can position yourself in the marketplace, how you can manage your finances, how you can be the CEO of your career and determine the outcome of your career, and most importantly, how you can live your dream life and become successful. So click the link below this video and register to join this summit. It's a free summit, so you can register to join on the 30th and 31st of January. I am going to be speaking on visibility and marketing, and I'm going to provide you with some blueprints on exactly what you have to do to be a thought leader in your industry, and most importantly, how you can build a personal brand, both offline, in your office, in your industry, and online, so you become successful and live your life on your own terms. So click the link below this video and head on to the registration page. But listen, this is a life transforming summit that will give you the practical tips that you need in order for you to become successful. And guess what? It is free. So just head on to the registration page and register to join us. Also share the videos, share the promotions, share the registration page, and get your colleagues, your loved ones, and people that you care about. Let us help you, provide you with the blueprints that you need for 2026 and beyond so you can position yourself to become successful. Listen, 30th and 31st, spend some time to grow. 30th and 31st, spend some time to take your life to the next level. 30th and 31st, spend some time with thought leaders so you can be given the blueprints, answer any questions that you are having so that you can really become successful. I look forward to seeing you at the Career Success Summit 2026 as we take you on a journey of transformation, revelation, strategic positioning, and living a successful career life. See you.